Greetings from the Eye Center. I would like to discuss a very commonly talked topic in eye care, yet still most confusing decision making for the patient and the patient family. That is the cataract, also known as Safed Motia. Cataract is basically clouding of natural lens in our eye due to age or any degenerative disease. First and foremost, when to operate? Well, according to the studies, we should start thinking of operation when patient starts feeling that he is not able to perform daily activities like driving, cooking and reading. Then comes which implant or the lens should we prefer for the surgery. Let's start with understanding two types of lenses, refractive lens and monofocal lens. Refractive lens are the ones which give freedom from glasses, and monofocal lenses need glasses after the surgery for clear vision. Refractive lenses are of two types, multifocal and new advanced technology extended depth of focus lenses, also known as EDOF lenses, which provide distant vision, intermediate vision and near vision also. At the Eye Center, we work with our patients, try to understand patients' need and help them choose the right lens for needs with help of advanced technology. Monofocal lenses provide only distant vision or intermediate vision. For near vision, we need glasses, and for some kind of astigmatism left after monofocal lens implant, we need glasses for distant vision also sometimes. For cataract surgery, there are numerous number of procedures can be done like SICS, extracapsular cataract surgery, phacoemulsification and laser. We are using femto laser. At the Eye Center, we prefer phacoemulsification or femtolaser surgery for cataract extraction. All the extraction of the cataract are done under topical anesthesia. That is, we avoid giving any kind of injection to the patient before the surgery, which may cause complications like hematoma and injury to the muscle. Sometimes patient also gets a retrobulbar hemorrhage, which is also sight threatening. Okay, with phacoemulsification and laser extraction, we get benefits like proper and early rehabilitation of the patient after the cataract surgery and small incisions through which we can implant our intraocular lenses and foldable intraocular lenses for proper results. After cataract surgery, recovery time from the surgery depends on patient behavior. Generally, it is around 7 to 10 days when we ask the patient to not to step out and avoid bathing from above the head. With the proper drugs and laser surgery and phacoemulsification, small incision surgery, we allow patients after 10 days to do all the daily works like driving, stepping out, working at his office and doing and can attend parties also. Thank you.